Hello and welcome to my video. My name is Cheryl Fletcher. I am a U.S. immigration attorney. I have been an immigration attorney since 2015. And in today's video, I would like to share with you the top 7 ways how you can get a U.S. green card. A green card is actually called an alien registration receipt card. This is the official term for a green card, but that is for my law professor and for people in academia. But for the general public, this is known as a green card, and I will refer to it as such. The first way how you can get a green card is through your family. This is probably the most common and popular way that you can get a green card. Everyone knows someone who has gotten a green card through this process, or you yourself are in the process of trying to get a green card through your family. There are certain types of relationships that qualify for a family-based petition. These relationships are if you are a spouse or a minor child of a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, if you are a fiance of a U.S. citizen, if you are a stepchild or step-parent of a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, then you can qualify for a family-based green card. This category also applies to brothers and sisters of United States citizens. They can also get a green card through a family-based petition. Other types of family relationships that do not work for this type of green card include cousins, aunts, uncles, grandparents, nieces, and nephews. You cannot file a petition for one of these types of family members. You have to refer to the categories that I stated earlier. The second way how you can get a U.S. green card is through employment. There are certain job skills that are needed in America, and American employers are willing to sponsor you for a green card. The application process can be in your home country, or you can do it online. But the important thing is that most of the employment-based green cards require you to have a job offer. So you can attend the interview online depending on your employer's requirements, or sometimes they go to your home country and they'll have an agency there that says they are looking for people to work in America. Keep your ears open for these types of opportunities, because this is one way how you can get an employment-based green card. The third way to get a green card is through asylum. Asylum is for people who have a well-founded fear of persecution. What that means is that in the past, someone in your home country harmed you seriously, or in the future they are likely to harm you or may even kill you. You are considered a refugee, and you can flee to the United States, present yourself at the border, and tell the immigration officer that you are seeking asylum. You can also apply for asylum in your home country. The fourth way how you can get a U.S. green card is through investment. The investment amount is $800,000 US dollars, and so mostly wealthy people will qualify for this type of green card. It's called the EB-5 green card. If you're coming to the United States to set up a business where you can employ Americans or people working here, then the EB-5 green card would work for you. The fifth type of green card is called the Special Immigrant Green Card. This is the EB-4 category, and this type of green card is for people in special situations. So for example, anyone who is a juvenile in the court system that has been abused, abandoned, or neglected by an immigrant parent, this is the type of person that would qualify for the EB4 green card. It also works for religious workers, so members of the clergy, pastors, and other religious workers would qualify for the special immigrant green card. And two, anyone who has worked for the U.S. government abroad and is now retired may also qualify for the EB4 green card. They are also part of the special immigrant category. The sixth type of green card is through the diversity lottery. The diversity lottery happens each year. There are 50,000 of these green cards available for people who have low immigration rates to the United States. So if your country doesn't normally have many immigrants coming to the United States, then you could be on the list of countries that are eligible for a diversity lottery green card. It actually is a lottery, so it's a random selection process, and if you're selected, then you can carry on and apply for a green card. The seventh and final way how you can get a green card is through cancellation of removal. Cancellation of removal is for people who are in removal proceedings. So if you have an immigration case where the government is trying to deport you, then you can qualify for cancellation of removal. You have to have residence in the United States for at least 10 years and be a person of good moral character. So even if you entered unlawfully and you win your cancellation of removal case, you can qualify for a green card. Cancellation of removal is also for people who already have green cards, but the government has started a deportation case against them. So if you had your green card, you need to have lived here for 7 years in order to be eligible for cancellation of removal. Like I said, cancellation of removal is a defense to deportation. So you actually need to have a case in court for you to qualify for cancellation of removal green card. You should not go and put yourself in harm's way to be eligible for this green card. Again, my name is Cheryl Fletcher. I would like to help you on your immigration journey. My phone number is 561-507-5772.